This hypnosis session is designed for relaxation and personal development purposes. Please do not listen while driving, operating heavy machinery, or in any situation where you need to remain fully alert. Always ensure you are in a safe and comfortable environment before beginning. A full disclaimer is available in the video description. Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe, where we empower you to overcome your deepest fears and unlock your inner confidence. In today's session, we'll focus on helping you release the fear of rejection, a fear that often holds us back from living authentically and confidently. Through soothing visualizations, powerful affirmations, and deep relaxation, you will reframe the fear of rejection and replace it with self-assurance, inner strength, and resilience. Guided by myself, Jocelynne, this hypnosis session is designed to gently lead you in letting go of the fear of rejection, helping you embrace a new mindset where you feel empowered, worthy, and ready to face any challenge with confidence. Whether you're preparing for a social event, a professional endeavor, or any situation where the fear of rejection arises, this session will help you tap into a place of calm self-acceptance. By the end of this session, you'll feel more confident, grounded, and ready to face the world without fear. Subscribe to Soul Hypno Vibe for more guided hypnosis and meditations to help you live your most confident and empowered life. Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. My name is Jocelynne, and I'm here to guide you into a state of deep relaxation and inner strength. Today's session will focus on releasing the fear of rejection and building a deep sense of confidence. Rejection is something we all experience, and it often creates feelings of doubt and unworthiness. But in this session, we will work to transform those feelings into confidence, knowing that you are enough just as you are. You are worthy of acceptance, love, and success. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Whether you're sitting or lying down, make sure you're in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. By the end of this session, you'll feel more empowered, grounded, and ready to embrace life without fear. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. As you relax, gently bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural flow of air as you inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension with each breath. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs fill with calm energy, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any fears or worries. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your body fill with peace and strength, and exhale, releasing any doubts or self-criticism. 1 more deep breath. Inhale confidence, and exhale any remaining tension, allowing your body to soften and relax. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feel your body becoming heavier and more grounded with each exhale. You are entering a calm, peaceful state where you can let go of fear and fully relax into the present moment. Now that you're beginning to relax, imagine a warm, golden light entering the top of your head. This light represents confidence and healing energy, gently flowing through your body, releasing all tension and fear. Feel this light as it spreads down through your forehead, relaxing the muscles around your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. It moves into your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension or fear you've been carrying. Now, let the light flow down through your arms, into your hands and fingers, making them feel heavy and relaxed. It continues to spread through your chest, filling your heart with warmth and calm, and moves down into your stomach, dissolving any fear or anxiety stored there. As the light flows down into your legs, feel your thighs, knees, calves, and feet relax deeply into the surface beneath you. With every breath, you sink deeper into this peaceful, confident state, allowing yourself to just be. In this state of relaxation, reflect on the feeling of rejection. Acknowledge that rejection is a part of life, but it does not define your worth. It does not diminish the amazing person that you are. Now, imagine a past situation where you may have felt rejected. Picture the moment clearly and notice how it made you feel. Rather than feeling pain or fear, begin to reframe this experience. Instead of rejection, see it as an opportunity for growth, a stepping stone towards something even better. In this new perspective, Rejection no longer holds power over you. You are resilient and know that you are worthy of love, success, and acceptance, regardless of any external outcome. As you continue to relax, let's anchor these feelings of confidence and self-worth with powerful affirmations. Repeat these affirmations to yourself, either silently or out loud. I am worthy of love, success, and acceptance. I trust myself and my ability to handle any situation with confidence. Rejection does not define me. I am enough just as I am. I release fear and embrace confidence in all areas of my life. I am resilient, strong, and capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. With each affirmation, feel your confidence grow stronger. Let these words sink deeply into your subconscious mind, knowing that they are now a part of who you are. Now, imagine a future situation where you might typically feel the fear of rejection. See yourself standing tall, shoulders relaxed, with a calm smile on your face. You feel confident, knowing that no matter what happens, you are enough. As you enter this situation in your mind, you feel calm and in control. You engage with others easily, without fear or hesitation. You trust yourself, knowing that rejection does not define your worth. You are resilient and confident in your own skin. As you walk through this future scenario, you feel a deep sense of peace and self-assurance. You know that no matter the outcome, you are deserving of success, love, and acceptance. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you'll gently return to full awareness, bringing with you this deep sense of confidence and inner strength. 1. Slowly starting to return. 2. Feeling the surface beneath you, becoming aware of your surroundings. 3. Bringing back all the confidence and peace you've gained. 4. Taking a deep breath, filling yourself with energy and empowerment. 5. Gently opening your eyes, fully awake, fully present, and ready to face the world with confidence. Thank you for joining me today at Soul Hypno Vibe. My name is Jocelynne, and it has been my pleasure to guide you through this journey of overcoming the fear of rejection and boosting your confidence. If you found this session helpful, I encourage you to share it with others and subscribe to Soul Hypno Vibe for more guided hypnosis sessions designed to help you live your most empowered life.